Introducing 316 Waste Solutions, your ultimate destination for cutting-edge roll-off dumpster rental services in Wichita, Kansas. Our mission at 316 Waste Solutions is to simplify waste management, making it a seamless and environmentally conscious experience. When it comes to convenience and dependability, we're here to revolutionize the game. We comprehend the significance of streamlined waste disposal, so we offer exceptional roll-off dumpster rental services, thoughtfully designed to meet your distinctive demands. For all your roll-off dumpster rental needs in Wichita, Kansas, look no further than 316 Waste Solutions. We're committed to delivering a hassle-free and cost-effective waste disposal experience, empowering you to finish your work without a hitch. To capitalize on our services and explore the full spectrum of our offer, visit our website at www.316wastesolutions.com, or contact us at 316-295-2232. Experience the exceptional with 316 Waste Solutions, where excellence in waste management is not just a promise but a guarantee.